Hello, and welcome in today's video. In this guide, I'm going to show you how I create my AI art videos, and how you can make yours. It's easy as a pie. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First, I head to the ChatGPT site. You can find the link in the description. Once you have logged in, you ask the AI in a theme you want to create images for. You can ask anything. In this example, I asked it to show me some examples of popular image generation prompts with extra details in a futurist theme for Midjourney. For my steampunk video, I asked it for image generation prompts in that theme. If you want to create a YouTube Shorts, I recommend generating 10 prompts, and grabbing one image from each generation. I will talk more about it later in the video. If you have the prompts, you head to the Leonardo AI website. I put the link in the description. You log in, and then select the DreamShaper V7 model. You click on it, and then click Generate with this model. This will take you to the generation page, where you can enter the prompts. You can go with the default settings, but if you want, you can use the settings that I use. Once you set up the space, you paste the prompt you have copied from ChatGPT to the text box in the upper half, then hit enter. This will start generating the images. Once it's finished, you choose the image or images you want to download, then hit the download button. At this point, you have a lot of options. You can use your normal editing software, but I recommend using Shotcut. It's free and open source. I put the link for it in the description. But if you want to go professional, you can go with DaVinci Resolve. The base software is free to use. Now, let's talk about creating for YouTube Shorts. A short can be a maximum of 60 seconds, so you need to stay under or at this limit. My settings are the following: 10 images per video, 6 seconds for each image, and that's it. Your video is 60 seconds long. Note that you must make sure that the video is exactly 60 seconds long. Hundredths of a second also count here. Once you cut the video, you can export it with or without sound. I recommend exporting without sound, copying the video to a mobile phone, then uploading it as a short. You can then customize even more things, like add a copyrighted sound without risking a copyright claim, add some effects, etc. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with others, who also may be interested in it. See you next time.